Okay, picking up where we left off, we're going to do the last step of the problem, and then we can look up the probability in the table. So basically, we have P is 0.69, which was given to us, and the sample size is 120. But in step 1, we had to find the standard error of the proportion, which was this number. And then in step 2, we had to find the sample proportion, which is this number, so we can work step 3. So let's plug in each of the numbers. And the sample proportion is 0.683. And P is 0.69. And the standard error of the proportion is 0.0422. And if you subtract 0.683 minus 0.69 in your calculator, you will get negative 0.007 divided by 0.0422. And when you divide that, you're going to get a long decimal. I'm going to just put a little bit of it up here. Negative 0.1658768. Sounds like a phone number. So we're going to round. If you look in the example in the problem on the homework, it wants you to round to the second decimal. So since this number is 5, if it's 5 or larger, we're going to round up. So we're going to round up to negative 0.17. So we are going to go to the table, and we want to find the probability where Z is less than negative 0.17. That is your magical number there. So let's look at that. Click on your table and go to negative 0.10. So that's negative 0.10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And so the probability is 0.4325. So our answer is the probability that Z is less than or equal to negative 0.17 equals 0.4325. So it's important that you follow the steps, go through step 1, then step 2, and step 3. It's also important that you round to the correct decimal place also. So that's why it's good to look at the example to see in the example on each step what they rounded to.